Hello. So since the last time we've progressed to this stage of the model, so the mobile suit itself is largely completed. What remains is to add weapons, put it in some dynamic position, and to paint it. Oh, and about putting it in the position, I think the main feature of this, the one that I like the most, is that it's completely articulated. All parts are snapping together without any use of glue or any kind of adhesive, and you could see how when you move the limbs, how the armor parts move with it. It's just really nicely done, nicely designed. So the building process has been an absolute joy. I really liked it. And when I'm saying that we progressed to this stage, it's mostly the construction has been done by me. The level of details in terms of the instructions and just fitting the parts together is a little bit beyond what a 9-year-old can do. My daughter has been really into it, and she's been following my progress and making suggestions every day. But the actual putting stuff together was done by myself, and I really enjoyed it. It's one of the things about having a child is that it's a perfect excuse to pursue a hobby which would be kind of difficult to justify perhaps. So building plastic models is one of the things. It's really a lot of fun. So I'm looking forward to the next stage of this. This is the end of the next stage, so this rail gun unit is done.
It sort of unfolds like this.
He has two of those.
Yep. So they sort of look like that.
Yeah. So these two can detach from him, he can hold them in his hands. But that's one part of the armament. So the next stage is the wing unit. It has a whole bunch of other weapons there. The wing unit, I understand, it's something that makes it able of flying both in space and in atmosphere. But there are some thrusters there, and it also unfolds. I don't know, we'll take a look. The railguns were relatively simple to do, so there are some parts that are moving here also. I'm not sure if you saw. So these parts are moving. You can kind of pull them out. You see? Not sure what they represent, but these are some parts of the guns. All right, we'll give you an update with the next stage.
Yep. Bye.